G'day everyone, Ray here from Pittwater Mowing. Just having a quick check of the weather. It looks like we could be getting some showers later today. So I always have a quick look at the radar and whatnot before I start my day and before I go looking at jobs. But yeah, this is where I am. I'm in Sydney, Australia, the great southern land. Beautiful part of the world. This is Narrabeen Beach. As you can see by the weather radar, there's definitely some rain coming. This is looking south down to a long reef, and Sydney City is about 45 minutes that direction. There's even a little rainbow there. I'll just quickly show you everything packed away in my ute. So I have the 2 lawnmowers in there, all my fuel, my line trimmer, the blower down there, that's the chainsaw attachment. Everything just fits in snug. That's the wheelchair loading ramp on the other side, and the bucket, the bin with all bits and pieces. It's just a snug fit, and it's all I need for inner city mowing. Works really well for me. I don't need a trailer. I'm just wheeling my Honda on the back wheels just down a couple of stairs here. Just pretend you're using like a removalist trolley. It's very easy, just take your time, but you can get the mower up and down the stairs like that. This is a new little lawn I'm doing. It is winter here in Sydney, Australia, so we're not getting crazy amounts of growth at the moment. We have had lots of rain, which has helped, and you can just see, you know, the grass here in Australia stays green throughout winter in Sydney. All right, let's get into it. I'm just going to wheel the mower on its back wheels back up the stairs. So just take your time, but you know, it's just like you're using a removalist trolley. Very easy, one step at a time. This is my Honda lawnmower when it was brand new. They're no longer made, this model, but these were actually assembled in Australia. They were, yeah, awesome mowers. It's the only mowers I use. I just keep them going. Like, you can buy all the replacement parts from Honda, and I use the genuine parts. The genuine parts definitely seem to last the longest, and yeah, it's well worth a little bit of extra money. But yeah, I wish you still look like this. Yeah, as I said, they stopped making these about 10 years ago. All right, see yous.